It is time for you to make some ordinary, bad, awesome art. This is your permission slip, especially if you're known for being like a portrait artist or something all the time, and you don't want to burn out anymore, or summer's crazy and you need 15 minutes to yourself, like with your morning tea or coffee, or it's your habit that you get to own and be like, this is what I do. It's time to say sketch below to join our sketchbook project and tote along this book with you all summer. Your kids might join you, they might leave you alone, but you'll make some pretty bad, ordinary, cool art, and you will enjoy it. Trust me, this is the first summer where I really stuck to it. Swipe right to get more ideas and insight, and follow along for more creative tips and hacks just like this. Thanks for being here. The first step is, of course, to find beautiful shadows in nature, and that will get you started. Oh, these would be so pretty to do almost every day. Wow. These are my favorite because they have a brush tip and a non-brush tip.
I can't find a page.
You can't find a blank page? That means you've been using your sketchbook a lot. It's great.
I'm
gonna go for it here.
I think I found one.
Oh, good.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
All the
yeah.
way in there. Wait, no.
Oh, Hopper, hi.
That's what he's doing. Oh, no, there's a baby in there.
I'm gonna go with a water lily theme. Not really, but like...
The chicken go like this. You just cut the pencil and you just go like this.
What do you think? Seriously, using like cheapy $25, great. Like, I'm so impressed with these. I've had tons of Poscas over the years and they dry out in like a month or two, which is so annoying. These haven't, and you can sketch paint with them. Like, I've done layers and layers already, and they just keep layering. Like, they're not mixing in. Poscas mix in with each other even after they've dried, in my experience. I don't know if anyone else has had a different experience, but these aren't bleeding at all. Like, if I go on navy blue with yellow Posca, like, it shows up on the yellow Posca and stains it. I love this. I love this. I love these. So much fun. Are you gonna try this? Like, I'm a little bit obsessed. Probably gonna sketch more. Yeah, this has been fun. I'm just gonna add some layers and details. I don't want to spend too much time on it. I wish I had a darker green for the, which I don't think there is. I'm gonna check online and see if they have a like a super duper set for these. They're really fun. I like them a lot. I wonder how long they're gonna last with me using them every single day though. And I'm just gonna add like these details and the flowers. But yeah, technically they're supposed to be super dark, so whatever. It was fun while my coffee was being made. Okay, now for some final little yellow touches there. Then I gotta go paint my trailer because I bit off more than I could chew. My muralist friend Michaela's coming to help me with her little daughter Arden, who's the cutest little button. Ooh, that kind of makes it pop. I should probably bounce some reflective sunset light into the flowers as well. What color should that be? So I finished the sketch, and it's important to know while sketching that just don't worry about getting it perfect. You're almost like staring at your subject and literally doing like a super light, you don't want it to shine through, blind contour. And if it doesn't end up in place, just make something up, because look at this. There's no rules in nature. That's chaos. It's beautiful chaos. The only thing to look for is, which has changed since I last looked at it, are the neat little shadows and highlights that you can kind of mark down. And because I'm only spending 15 minutes on this, I'm just trying to be loose and have fun and learn something along the way. So I know you will too, and this is just so fun. Okay, so that was my first quick watercolor sketch. I don't know if I've ever sketched florals in watercolors. I've used them in portraiture, but I've never done a live.
Mom, can you help me do the flowers?
I can, yeah. I'm gonna do like a white and blue striped background. Would that be cool, Teddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, sketched it out just with paint. It's definitely not perfect, but the thing is, I'm not striving for perfection. I've done all the art world, you have to paint this way sort of stuff. And you eventually get really tired of it, trying to prove yourself. I'm just doing this for fun, and to let go and to recover from burning out and lots of mural festivals and kids stuff and gutting my camper, and I'm just painting for fun. Of course, I love to bring you all along with me. That's part of it. I want to see you having fun too. And sketchbooks are a great way to do that. So
Red,
okay.
red.
Hold on. Let's do them really tiny. Like this?
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to do red hearts, then that is that. Here you go. Get in there. Very good heart, Teddy. Because you have such a good heart. Oh, and here's Hopper, just hanging out. Do you think she likes tomatoes? Okay.